Why hello, it is Kat Ray here. I'm just coming because we've already done the flower bed and our staircase. Now we're doing our little pathway with some stones. If you look here, we've already got most of this dug. Just need to dig a little bit more. We got our brick saw that we've rented from a rental place close to our house. We went and picked up our big half a pallet of the stones. Right now I'm going to be moving the stones around, trying to see if we could, or figure out how we're going to lay them all. Okay, so we already have some laid here. If we look at this, we will call this the top and that the butt. So if you look here, this one right here, the butt is right there. This one right there, the butt is right there. This one here, the butt is there. So you take these three stones, you kind of match them up. So the tips of the butt are all meeting together. Then, after you have this whole thing in place, you take this other one, the tip of it goes into this little area here. So right here, we're going to put a tip right there. And then a tip right here. So really it's the butt and the tip. You see how that is laying? We're going to leave it that way so it's got a nice rough edge right there. Okay, so we have laid our stones. They're pretty wobbly. We haven't, basically it's about 90 degrees out here. It is extremely hot. So we've used the brick saw as much as we need to. And now we're just gonna go swimming. So you can see we have all of this laid. We'll perfect it later. Well, hello, it's Kat Ray again. So today we are finishing up our path. We stopped last time because it was just so hot outside. It's unbelievable. But we're here out in the morning. So what we are doing is over here we have our cart full of our sand and our rubber mulch there. And then here we got the polymeric sand. All that we bought at Home Depot. So here we are moving each stone at a time. Then we are putting some sand down. Then we'll do the polymeric sand and the mulch. Just to let you know, I'm going to be lifting most of these stones because Josh has some tendonitis in his elbow and it really irritates him when he's doing lots of lifting. So I'm taking on that. Okay, you can see here we have all the stones. We put some sand underneath them. Now they are flat and level, and we're going to do the polymeric sand in the cracks. So if you've never done polymeric sand, the way you do this is you get it just like sand. You put it into the cracks you want it, then you get it all wet and it solidifies just like cement. You gotta do all of these cracks. I got all the cracks filled. Now I'm just gonna take a broom and level it all out, and then we'll get it wet. So I've gotten all the cracks filled with polymeric sand. Now I just need to get it wet and we'll let it solidify. Then we'll go over it again and just finish off the layers and get it in some of the cracks a little more perfected. We are on the last step of our pathway. So I got the polymeric sand all laid in, got it wet, let it dry, got it wet again, and now we are putting the rubber mulch. You can see we dug the grass out a little bit further, so it's a little bit further away from the pathway. Josh is laying the rubber mulch. And that is turning out to be a beautiful thing. Well, thanks for watching. We are all done with our pathway. We originally had planned on doing cement with like a mold, but we went with these stones and I'm extremely happy that we did because it looks so much better. We dug the grass out further than we thought we would and put the rubber mulch and matches the wall. Just looks wonderful. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Remember, work hard, play hard. We'll see you on the next project.